welcome to Puzzle Masters product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at Kepler puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Felix Ure. It has difficulty level 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the object of the puzzle is to fit all 11 balls that are hidden in this felt bag inside the box. If you take a closer look at the box, you will find that it has a small lid and there is a space inside. And it looks like it is not enough space to fit all balls inside. And you are almost right, since if you try to put some of the balls inside, you can put like 3, maybe even 5, maybe even 8 balls. But then you don't have enough space to fit the rest of them. And the very important part of the solution, you have to close the lid in such a way that it will be closed all the way down. If it is rocks on top, that is not the solution. You have to figure out another way how to fit balls inside. The lid is supposed to be flush on top of the box. It is very important that you don't lose any of the balls from these puzzles, since the balls are unique and you can't use any other balls that you can buy somewhere in stores. This is a very well-made metal puzzle. Felix creates amazing puzzles, and Kepler is one of the puzzles that is not only interesting to solve, but it's also going to look very nice on your puzzle shelf. If you like the Kepler puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time.